rib stitch. You will knit one, purl one, and for the knit stitch, I am going to use the U-stitch. You can use true knit, U-stitch, flat stitch, E-wrap if you would like. E-wrap won't look quite as nice though. Okay, so we will purl one. If you need better videos on how to do these stitches, I do have separate videos. U-stitch, purl, and a U-stitch. Do this all the way around, and you do 5 rows. And see, if I come across green or purple on this back side, I'm still flat stitching. So, oh, it looks like we're starting with green for the next one. So we will purl, purl, see, I think this will be our last purl one. Yeah, there's not really, I could tighten the stitches up and get enough to do another one, but you know what, I don't care to do that. So we're going to just flat stitch. And oh, that one's purple, so we will purl. Alright. Then we go back into our flat stitch. Alright. I hope I explained that correctly and you understand how to do it. So from this point you're going to work the body up, which is from here to here, and for me it was about 50 rows. Now the yarn you're using, the loom you're using may change all that up. A thing you can do is, if it's a circle loom, stick your foot through it until it's where you want it to be. Put it back a little. If you want it right at the very end of your pinky toe, you want to go back about an inch because it will shrink down some. Go ahead and work this up for the body as long as you want. If you're using the same yarn, same loom, for me it was 50 rows.